Yo, what's up guys? Back at it again with another one. I ain't been here for a while, so I figured I'd come back here, do another video. Finally getting to the toolbox. Yeah, gonna be cleaning this bad boy up, this toolbox. Figured I'd do a video on how to replace these rails. But anyway, I gotta do that. I would have brought my truck in and did that, but my partner's doing something on his BMW. I do this and knock this out. I'll let y'all know, keep y'all up on what's going on here with the Beamer. Beam Supreme! My God. So first thing first, I'm gonna start with this. Sand. I believe I'm going to wipe it down first. Sand it down. 80 grit, then 180 grit, then 180 grit sandpaper. Then come across this. Clean all this up with the same method. Sand it down with 180 grit, then with 80. And then from there I start taking out my rails. I believe the rails I got are, they gotta be different. Well, they are different, but just gotta figure out which one. Oh, okay, so it's this one right here. It must be this one and the bottom one. Okay, so them two I'm gonna start with. I should start, you know what? No, scratch that. I'm gonna go ahead and still clean this up. I'm gonna still go ahead and wipe it down, sand it down, tape it up, but I'm gonna start from the bottom up. That's what I'm doing. Now, Snap-on only sent me 2 of my rails, so I have to work with what I got right now. I only got 2. I gotta do 2. They gotta send me back 2, you know, back and forth. So I guess they make sure they get what they need. But I'm gonna take it one step, one by one. So start with this bottom first. Let me pull everything out in here real quick. Ew. When you thought you cleaned everything. But nah, I got the drawer up. It was kind of simple and easy. I guess I can get down and start cleaning that next. Now since I got it all cleaned out, almost all cleaned out, but I can start sanding this real quick while I'm down here, and then start with the drawers. So first I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the 80 grit, and then wipe it down and turn back around and hit it again with the 180 grit. There we go from there. Okay, so I scuffed it up with 80 grit. Now I'm about to hit the 180. Let's see if I can get some of these fine lines out of there. But as you can see, it came out kind of good. So let me hit it with the 180 and now that's the 180. Brought it out kind of good. Looks like it took all the scuff mark. So now I'm getting ready to clean it up and pull out these railings. Now I got the railings out. As you can see, the bottom part. And basically, I'm going to inspect them and see why they wasn't going all the way in and out. So as you can see, this first part, it's okay. The second part, hard as hell to put down. Push down, as you can see. I think it's because they were just like mainly built up with dirt over time. And the little rail, the little ball tracks in here, I guess they get all gunk up. I cleaned them out a couple of times since I got back my toolbox, but yeah, it just didn't work out that way. So I'm about to finish cleaning where the rails is at and install the new ones and get these ready for me to send back. Same thing with this side. The first part worked. The second part, it's like, nah. I neglected this toolbox at an early age, so when you young and dumb and you're just making a bunch of money and you just don't care, yeah, lot of times you probably won't even worry about how good your stuff come out. But like I said, let me go ahead, clean this up, wipe that down, get ready to start scuffing these up. I can get ready to lay down some paint. So I just got finished scuffing this one up. And I scuffed this one up like 20 minutes ago. Give it some time. Use my tape up there. Start masking off some areas that I don't want on here. Start painting. So I got everything taped off over there on the box and everything. So I'm getting ready to lay down the first layer of paint. I'm not even that good with paint, y'all. To really be honest with you. So that's the first coat on that. On this one, I figured I would do something different. I was thinking about putting on here some bed liner. I don't know, just thought it'd be different. Dropping it on there. I'll see how it comes out. I mean, yeah, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Figure the outside of that be all black. And this right here, the drawer parts right here will be bed liner. And something different. Instead of a plain Jane black box. So I just got finished putting on the last coat of bed liner on there. Put it on there. Put the bed liner on there, on that strip. This right here I just sprayed down a little bit, even though I'm going to put like a mat down there to cover it. Man, we just got to go ahead and finish yanking out the rest of this. Then we can go ahead and drop in the 1J or 2J in here. Yeah! We'll have us a nice little track car. That's what we're shooting for. So I'm going to give that like another 20 minutes for that to dry. Probably 30 minutes for that to dry. And then I'm going to start putting back in my rails. Putting back in the drawers. And that's going to be pretty much it. Probably just clean up my mess that I made. And all the drawers, and then 2 drawers are back in. You can see right there the run. Right there. I'm just gonna clean it in the morning. Clean it down when I get finished drying some more. And hopefully these two rails be in. Or hopefully 1, 2, 3 rails be in, and I can start on them. Then we can do this and start on the next side. But probably gonna end the video here, y'all. If I do, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See y'all guys in the next episode of Low and Slow Garage.